part 3. See what we can do here. If you remember the previous videos, we have covered everything in PB Blaster. And here we go. I think I want this hanging down on the outside. And I think I want this hanging down right here. Okay. Down here. And this goes right here. Oh, man. I'm gonna have to do one right here. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was like, if I wasn't holding the phone, I'd be done by now. Yeah, like that. Sorry, we breathed it in your face. Oh, I see. So it looks like I nibbled that a little short, but I think that'll be okay because here's the ridge, and I'm in there, dog. Clamp that right there. Make sure it's lined up perfectly with the ridge. Just past it. Okay, give me some float angle. Like that. Okay. Take it out. Better with a gloved hand. Oh, jeez. Sorry, guys. All right. Okay. This one. Gotta get this one in the right place. There, like that, right there. Like that. I don't know if I like that. What is that? What is that tube? Okay, hold on. I slipped off some over the ridge. Hard to get to with the ground wire right here. Yep. Loosen it up a bit. Okay, there we go. Oh. It'd be a lot easier with 2 hands. Okay, hold on a second. You guys are right in my way. Hold on a second. Ta-da! Right? Let's fill it up and check for leaks, shall we? Here's the... Hold on a second. I think I have to get diesel, but we'll see. Let's check for leaks. I'll put this in there and then run it back. And I don't see anything dripping. Okay. Rinse and repeat. Show you when I'm done. All right, well, took about half gallon. And I put in about a half gallon. Yeah, we're here. So what I'm gonna do is start it. See how that changes. So, see if we can get it started, shall we? Let's sit for a couple days. There you go. Marks. Get set. Oh, the battery has a charge. Oh, I think it does. Yeah, I think I want to run that. I want to run that for a little while, clean that out, and then put in some fresh. Looks pretty rusty. I'll wait till the thermostat opens so that it'll suck the radiator fluid through the rest of the engine. That is the thermostat down here, which we replaced when we replaced the water pump. Okay. All right. Want to get cleaned up? Just like I did here. Okie artichoke, thanks for watching me fix my 1993 Kubota tractor that got broken in the woods. I'll let you know as things progress, but that seems to be it. Like I said, I was able to find the hoses at my Flaps, my friendly local auto parts store. Took in the old hoses and they were able to match them up. So, I mean, shout out to the Kubota dealers, please, don't get me wrong. Support your dealers too, but when you're in a pinch and you need it running today, it's nice when you can walk out with stuff like that. So, the more you know, the better you go. Talk to you later. Love you later. Bye. How dirty my hands are. Love you later. Bye.